Unveiling Sneakiness, Understanding Be Sneaky in English. Hello, dear viewers. Today, we're going to delve into a phrase that's as playful as it is cunning: be sneaky. Whether you've heard it in movies, read it in stories, or come across it in everyday conversation, it's a phrase that tickles our curiosity. What does it mean to be sneaky, and how can you use this expression effectively in English? Let's find out together, and by the end of this video, you'll be able to spot sneakiness from a mile away. The phrase, be sneaky, generally refers to the act of doing something secretly, with the intention of not being noticed. It often implies a playful or mischievous element, but it can also carry a negative connotation if the secret action is dishonest or deceptive. When someone says, they're being sneaky, it suggests that the person or people in question are up to something they don't want others to know about. It could be as harmless as planning a surprise birthday party, or as harmful as cheating in a game. Let's look at some examples to better understand how to use be sneaky in various contexts. In a positive light, my kids are being sneaky by hiding the gift for Father's Day. They want it to be a surprise. In a negative light, he was being sneaky when he copied the answers from my test paper. That's not fair play. In a humorous context, we need to be sneaky to sneak more cookies from the jar without Mom noticing. As you can see, the phrase can be used in different scenarios ranging from light-hearted fun to serious deception. It's important to note that be sneaky can have different shades of meaning based on the context, tone of voice, and the speaker's intention. It's not always easy to convey the exact sentiment in a second language, but here are some tips. To show approval or affection, you might say with a smile, "You're being sneaky, aren't you?" when you know someone is planning something good secretly. To express disapproval, in a stern voice, "Don't be sneaky with me," clearly shows that you do not appreciate the deceit. To give a playful warning, "I'll be sneaky and steal a piece of your cake when you're not looking," can be said in a joking manner among friends. There you have it, friends. We've uncovered the meaning behind the phrase, be sneaky, and I hope you feel more confident using it in your English conversations. Whether you're planning a surprise or just enjoy a bit of harmless mischief, understanding this phrase can add a new layer to your language skills. Thank you for watching, and don't be too sneaky with using your newfound knowledge. Stay curious, and see you in the next video.